This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, my name is Kristen Hossman and I'm with Mount Evans Consulting. Today I'm going to show you how to personalize screens within Dynamics 365 Business Central. Let's get started with the customers list. Out of the box, this is the way the window looks. You can see here that there are several fields that my company is not using, so I'd rather just hide those fields. There's also a couple fields that I'd like to add to the window as well. First thing I'm going to do is come up to the gearbox and I'm going to click Personalize. Since I want to add fields, I'm going to go ahead and click on More and then Plus Field to add those fields as well. I'm going to start by removing things that I don't want to see simply by hovering over the field name, clicking on the red caret, and then clicking Hide. So I'll go ahead and remove everything that I don't want. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in the payments terms code. You can just simply select the field that you want and drag and drop it into the grid where you want to see it. If there's fields over here on the right that you don't see that you want added, such as a city or a state, talk with your partner about getting that added via a customization so that those fields can be added. You're only allowed to select the fields that you're seeing here. So that'll have to be a custom extension to get other fields added to the list. Once you're done and you've customized it the way you want it, go ahead and click Done. Keep in mind that you can also move columns left and right just by simply dragging and dropping. Once this is the way you'd like it, it's going to stick, but there may be some reason down the road where you need to convert it back to the way it was out of the box. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you how to delete the personalization so that the window goes back to the way it was out of the box. The first thing you're going to want to just kind of keep an eye out for is within the URL. So within the URL, right up in here, you can see the word page equals 22. That tells me that this is page 22 of Business Central. So what I'm talking about there is the customers page because we're on the customers page. I'm simply going to do a lookup and I'm going to type in personalizations. And I'm going to select delete user personalization. Now, since I know it's my user ID and it's page 22 and it's the customers page, I can simply come down here and I can say delete line. Now, the next time I log in or I close that customer window and I go back into it, my personalization is going to be gone and it's going to be back to the out of the box standards. There we go, back to out of the box. One other tip about personalization that I get asked is how can I get rid of things on the homepage that I don't care to see? You can also personalize your homepage and remove things that you don't care to see. For example, here, I'm not working with approvals, so I'm just going to go ahead and hide this queue for approvals. And then I'm going to click done, and now that's gone for good.